Hi, I'm Peter, and this is the Sounds Great English podcast, where I answer real questions from real students.
A student came to me and asked, "What does crack up mean?" Now, this was difficult because crack up depends how it is in the sentence into what you mean. Now, first there's the word to crack. To crack doesn't mean to break, but if you hit something, you can see a line where it's broken. So it's not broken into pieces, it's still one piece, but you can see a crack in it. I dropped the plate, it didn't break, but there's now a crack in it. So it didn't smash into small pieces, but you can see where the plate is going to break in the future. Sometimes on the internet, you can see icebergs, and the icebergs will start to fall apart. But before they fall apart, you can see a big crack. A crack also means a sound. A crack is a sound that the iceberg would make when it breaks apart into different pieces. We talk about the crack of thunder, and it's very suddenly the sound of thunder. When you push, if you get a tree branch and you push it, you will hear it crack. It doesn't break, but you can hear it go and it cracks. But I didn't think that's what the student was talking about. Crack up would mean to start breaking into small pieces because it's more commonly used as an idiom, as in, you crack me up. What this means is you make me laugh. I can't stop myself from laughing, or I can't control myself when you make jokes. He told me a funny story, and I cracked up. That is a good way to use this. He's always making funny jokes and cracking me up. He's always making funny jokes and making me laugh. I can't stop myself from laughing. The idea is that you control yourself, but then your control starts to crack, and you start to giggle, and then you start to laugh. So if you know a very funny person, you can say, "You always crack me up. You always make me laugh."
If you have a question, you can email soundsgreatenglish@gmail.com, or you can visit soundsgreatenglish.com, where you can find links to TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.